Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and thank you so much for all the support and the feedback. Let us unbox my new intercom, my helmet intercom by Bluarmor, a Bangalore based Indian company. And of course, as I mentioned in my previous video, the latest version is the C50 Pro and the C50 series, which is still newly launched, and I've heard a lot of issues in terms of the bugs which are still ongoing to be fixed. Of course, the company will be working on the fixes, but I wanted a one which is already ready and tried and tested. This one has a lot of mixed reviews, good amount of positive reviews as well. So based on that, on my gut feeling, I have purchased this for my latest trip. Let us get on with it. This is the packaging. Previously, it used to be tuned by JBL. So this one is tuned by themselves. It says tuned by Blue. Speakers used to be again by JBL. Now they have made some changes. IP67 rating, right grid mesh intercom, Bluetooth 5.1, C30, and the same details mentioned here. These are a few specifications, and all of this you can pause the video and go through it, and everyone is already well aware in the biking field. It's a very well known one. The pricing, it shows as 10,999, the original pricing, but I got it from Amazon in the recent Republic Day sale, which is ongoing, with SBI card discount for about, I think, 9,500 or so approximately, so which is a pretty good deal. Yes, let me just unbox with it. Cute little pink scissors. These are kitchen scissors. Let me just open. Keeping that aside, and the scissors aside, good packaging, good quality packaging. I hope the product usage experience is also great. I'm going to be sharing once I've done my good amount of testing from my side. There's one more seal here. Let me just open up that as well. Okay. This has a magnetic flap. A very good unboxing experience. The finishing is now grayish, not the previous carbon fiber finish. The device itself, let me just open up this. It says get ready to level up your riding experience. Okay, this is the device itself. This is the microphone set, earphones or speakers connection. Let me just see what's inside. Let me keep it aside. These are a few instructions on how to connect and pair. You can pause it and view this. Velcro for sticking inside the Bluetooth intercom pockets in the helmet. And the Titan helmet which I've shown you, the Titan Chicanero, has speaker pockets. So I'll be installing that there. This is a charging cable, a good quality one, type C to type C. This is the adhesive mount for the helmet if someone doesn't want to tighten the screws around it. A 3M sticker should be strong enough as well. So of course I would be utilizing this for a strong hold. And this is made of metal, very good quality. Here is the Allen key for tightening up this bracket. Okay. Now let us look at the device itself. Good build quality. I'm not sure whether this is broken or finished in that manner. It's a recent batch manufacture. This is the charging port. Strong flap, waterproofing. Yes guys, that's about it, and I'm going to use it and share my experience as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do support and share your wonderful feedback. Thank you so much.